Welcome back to our channel where we explore various techniques to relax and rejuvenate our mind and body. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of relaxation with a potent method named the non-sleep deep rest nervous system reset. This powerful tool is designed to help you achieve deep relaxation and reset your nervous system in a time span of just 5 to 25 minutes. Intrigued? Let's get started. Before we dive into the practice, let's take a moment to understand what the non-sleep deep rest technique is all about. This technique, born out of centuries-old mindfulness practices, is a modern take on achieving deep relaxation. It's a blend of guided visualization, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation. The goal here is to trick our bodies into entering a state of deep rest, similar to the one we enter during sleep, but without actually falling asleep. It's like hitting the reset button on our nervous system. Whether you're feeling stressed out, emotionally drained, or simply in need of a quick energy boost, this technique can work wonders. It's not about escaping reality, but about giving our minds and bodies a much-needed break to recharge and rejuvenate. This technique is designed to provide deep rest and relaxation to our nervous system, similar to the benefits we get from a good night's sleep. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits that the non-sleep deep rest technique offers. This method is not just about getting rest. It's about resetting and rejuvenating your entire nervous system, allowing it to function at its optimal level. Firstly, it brings about a significant reduction in stress levels. By taking a short break from your routine to focus on relaxation, you can let go of the day's tensions and worries. Secondly, it enhances your focus and concentration. By giving your mind a chance to rest, you're clearing away the mental fog that can cloud your thoughts and hinder your productivity. Thirdly, it boosts creativity. When your mind is relaxed and clear, it becomes a fertile ground for innovative ideas and solutions to sprout. Lastly, it improves your overall well-being. By regularly practicing the non-sleep deep rest technique, you're investing in a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. It's a powerful tool to reset your nervous system and restore balance in your life. Here's a step-by-step guide to practicing the non-sleep deep rest technique. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparation to practice and finally completion, ensuring that you achieve the most out of this technique. Step 1. Preparation. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a spot in your home, a peaceful outdoor location, or even a dedicated meditation room if you have one. The key is to ensure that the environment is conducive to relaxation and inner peace. Step 2. Positioning. Once you've found your spot, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You could sit cross-legged, lie flat on your back, or even recline in a chair. The goal is to find a position that allows your body to relax completely. Step 3. Centering. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Feel the air fill your lungs and then slowly leave your body. As you breathe, let your mind focus on the rhythm of your breath, allowing it to become your anchor in the present moment. Step 4. Body relaxation. Now turn your attention to your body. Starting from your toes, focus on relaxing each part of your body, moving slowly upwards. Let your feet, your legs, your torso, your arms, your neck, and finally your head settle into a deep state of relaxation. As you do this, let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Step 5. Visualization. With your body relaxed and your mind focused, visualize yourself in a peaceful and serene environment. This could be a beach with gentle waves lapping at the shore, a quiet forest with leaves rustling in the breeze, or any other place that brings you peace. Let this visualization deepen your relaxation. Step 6. Deep relaxation. Allow your mind to enter a state of deep relaxation. Let go of any thoughts or worries that may try to surface. There's no need to engage with them. Just let them float by, like clouds in the sky, and return your focus to your peaceful visualization. Step 7. Duration. Stay in this deeply relaxed state for anywhere between 5 to 25 minutes, depending on your availability and preference. Even a short session can provide significant benefits, so don't feel pressured to stay longer than is comfortable. Step 8. Completion. When you're ready to end the practice, don't rush to open your eyes and jump back into your routine. Instead, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, the sounds around you. the surface beneath you. Carry this sense of peace and relaxation with you as you move on with your day. Remember, like any other skill, the ability to achieve deep rest through this technique improves with practice. So, don't be discouraged if you find it challenging at first. Keep trying, and soon you'll be able to slip into a state of deep relaxation with ease. That concludes our step-by-step guide to the non-sleep deep rest technique. We hope this guide will help you master this powerful method and reap its numerous benefits. Always remember, the key to successful practice is consistency, patience, and a non-judgmental attitude towards your experience. When you're ready to end the practice, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Take a few moments to sit quietly, allowing the benefits of the non-sleep deep rest technique to permeate your being. Then, when you're ready, open your eyes and carry the tranquility you've cultivated into the rest of your day. To make the most out of your non-sleep deep rest session, here are a few tips. Firstly, it's pivotal to choose a time when you can be uninterrupted. This means turning off your phone notifications, letting your family or housemates know not to disturb you, and picking a time when external noises are minimal. This could be early in the morning before the world wakes up, or later in the evening when things have calmed down. Next, consider your environment. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. The ambience of the room matters. Dimmed lights, a comfortable temperature, and a cozy spot to lie or sit can all enhance your relaxation experience. Using calming background music or nature sounds can also enhance your relaxation experience. The gentle sound of rain falling, the soothing rhythm of ocean waves, or the soft melody of calming music can help transport your mind to a tranquil state. Remember, the goal is not to focus on the sounds, but to let them fade into the background, creating a serene atmosphere. Experimentation is key. Try out different visualizations or guided meditation recordings to find what works best for you. Some people might find a sunny beach scene more relaxing, while others might prefer the quiet solitude of a forest. Don't be afraid to mix it up and see what resonates with you. Breathing is another crucial aspect. Deep, slow breaths can help relax the body and clear the mind. Try to focus on your breath as you inhale and exhale, letting it become the anchor that keeps you grounded in the present moment. Finally, consistency is key. Like any new skill, the non-sleep deep rest technique requires practice. The more you do it, the better you'll get at entering this state of deep rest. So make it a part of your daily routine, even if it's just for 5 minutes a day. Practice regularly to reap the long-term benefits. Remember, this is not about achieving perfection, but about cultivating a habit of relaxation and rest. So be patient with yourself, and in time, you'll see the transformative effects of this powerful technique. That's all for today's video on the non-sleep deep rest nervous system reset technique. We've taken a journey of understanding this unique method of relaxation, its immense benefits, and how to incorporate it into our daily lives. This technique serves as a tool for deep relaxation, helping to recharge and rejuvenate our nervous system, akin to the restoration we get from a good night's sleep. Imagine being able to reset your stress levels, improve focus, enhance creativity, and boost your overall well-being in just 5 to 25 minutes. It's a small investment of time for a wealth of benefits. We encourage you to try the non-sleep deep rest technique. It's simple, effective, and adaptable to your schedule. As you embark on this journey of deep relaxation, we'd love to hear your experiences. Share with us how this technique has impacted your stress levels, focus, and overall well-being. Your stories inspire us and our community. They serve as a testament to the power of taking time for self-care and relaxation. Remember, taking care of your nervous system is crucial for overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more relaxation techniques and self-care tips. Until next time, take care and stay relaxed.